Yeah, hi. So, shall we start the process like how to use Ollama application in your local machine? First of all, we just go to open the Google. We just type Ollama. We just go to click on first link. We get that Ollama application. So here we just go to click on download. After that, you can install on your local machine. So I have already done for this process. So I just go to check. So this application installed or not our local machine. So I just click Windows or I open command prompt. So I just go to check Ollama version. So Ollama iPhone version. We can see I get that some latest version for Ollama. So I just give Ollama. You can see this is the uses of the and available commands for Ollama related. So already I have created small documentation for Ollama. I just open that one. You can see here this is small documentation. I just prefer for as a beginners. You can see you just go to click on Windows. You just go to download that application in your local machine. You can see running a default model. So like already I have installed this model in our local machine. You have some doubt like how to install that model in your local machine. You can see you can use this command Ollama pull what kind of LLM model we have installing your local machine. So I just type so Ollama pull. I just go to check like what kind of documentations are available in Ollama cloud. So you can see like so this is the actual documentation. Yeah, Ollama has providing this documentation. You can see available models. Like there are multiple models are there. So I just go to small case model I have downloading on our machine. Yeah, you can see here. Yeah, I think 2.0 I have installed already. 3.2 Llama 3.2 I have installed and the size is 2.0 GB. So I just installing another model like small case. Like you can see Gamma 2. Yeah, 2 billions. I just installing this one. I just copy this model name. This is the model name. I just copy. I just go to here, paste here, space and paste. You can see it's showing like pulling main paste. Here installing that model in your local machine. So wait for few minutes. This is like 1.6 GB size available for this model. So wait for few seconds or few minutes maybe. Yeah, you can see here that model has installed it successfully. We get that message is success. So here I just go to check like what kind of models I have installing our local machine. So command is Ollama list. I just enter. You can see here there are two models are there like Gamma 2 2 billions and Llama 3.2. So there are two models are there. So I just go to run. Just go to take one model to run on our mission. Ollama run. I can choose Gamma 2 colon 2 billions. Enter. Yeah, you can see here it's showing send a message. That means we can give like prompt. So you can just go to test the model. You can give what kind of prompt that is your wish. Just I can give what is Python. Enter. You can see here Python is high level intermediate general purpose programming language. So we're getting some response for this model. Yeah, we're getting some response. Yeah, wow. I just give only small prompt like what is Python. But here I getting that huge of content. But here you just go to check same prompt in ChatGPT or DeepSeek. We didn't get that huge of content for this. Maybe I don't know exactly we getting or not. My way we getting only small content on that models. Here we getting like huge of content for recording this model. Wow, yeah, we getting huge of content. So I can give another mod sorry, I just give another prompt like yeah, who is Elon Musk. I just give one prompt. Yeah, Elon Musk is we getting some content regarding Elon Musk related. You can see here we getting huge of content regarding. I just give that only small prompt, but we getting huge of content regarding this prompt related response. I think this is very wonderful LLMs. Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, fine. So you can see here we getting huge of content for just I can give small prompt is who is Elon Musk, as well as uh, first prompt is what is Python. We're getting the huge of content regarding these prompts. So you can see here we just give any prompt, you're getting the response for these regarding LLMs. So I just left that model. I just using slash by. You can see here I just give slash by like we have exiting that model. For example, we just go to run another model, same command like Ollama run what that so I just go to check first list of the models. You can see after that Ollama I just copy model name. So this is model name. I just copy and paste here. Yeah, I think yeah, sorry, this is the unknown command. I think Ollama run that model name. Yeah, we getting yeah fine. We getting that connected this model like send a message. Okay, this way you have connected to um like you have connected multiple models, as well as you can chat that multiple models on the your mission. Okay, for example, so wait, I just exit that model slash by. I have exiting, so I have using Ollama list. See, I think sorry, I can give wrong command. So this is I getting some models. So here I can remove that one model here. I just using, so already have you created small documentation for recording these commands. So I just mentioning this link in description. Okay, so you can see here I just go to yeah remove a model. So this is the command Ollama rm. What kind of model you have removing on your local machine? So I just type Ollama rm like remove. So I just copy model name. This is the model name. I just give here enter. You can say deleted this model on your local machine. We're getting some message. Okay, so this is like Ollama installing in your local machine. Okay, how to chart that that model to get the some responses in your local machine only without GPU. Okay, we are using these models on your local machine. So this is the documentation. I just mentioning this documentation link in description. We just go to again this one. Okay, yeah, thank you for guys watching for my video. Please subscribe and like me this video. I need some boost high energy for I can implementing cubes of videos, like creating cubes of videos, as well as I can give my best here. So please subscribe my channel and like me.